Looking for a healthy cheese ball recipe? Try these tasty apple almond balls. They're easy to make and easy to eat. Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you will learn to cook healthy, cook easy. And my name is Karen Breyer, and this is my dad, Don. And today we are making a tasty treat. It's apple almond balls, and this is a wonderful appetizer, treat, snack, or just a little side dish to your meal. Really easy to make, very delicious. The ingredients in this recipe are chopped dried apples, chopped almonds, flaked coconut, and cream cheese, and that's it. So the first thing that we need to do is we're going to add our dry ingredients. I have a half a cup of dried chopped apples, and I have a half a cup of chopped almonds, and you could use raw or toasted, and these are toasted. And these, I bought these already chopped up, so you don't need to chop them, but you can use whole almonds and chop them yourself, and I've done that before too.
Sounds good.
So then we have a quarter cup of flaked coconut, same as 4 tablespoons. So all we need to do is go ahead and stir this, and I'll let you stir that. Okay, that looks good. Then we have a quarter cup of cream cheese, and this is like half of an 8-ounce package. I just chopped it in half. Got a half a cup, and I set it out a little bit on the counter to get it soft so it'll be easier to stir. So we're just going to go ahead and mix this up. And I did bring a fork in case that might be easier. So this is mixed very well. You could also make this in a food processor. Just go ahead and add your apples, almonds, and coconut. Process it until the apples and the almonds are chopped as small as you want them. After that, put in the cream cheese and process it, and it will be mixed together just like this. And it's easy. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and roll these in little balls. And we're going to go wash our hands, and we'll be back to do that next. Okay, so I washed my hands, and my dad washed his hands, and the next thing we're going to do is roll our apple almond mixture into little balls, maybe the size of large grapes or as big as you want. So just take a little bit and kind of make it into a circle, and then you can just roll it lightly between your palms and then set it on a serving tray.
That works.
Yeah. So make these as big or small as you like.
Well, this is the first time I ever did this.
Yeah.
That works.
Yeah, we're done. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well, we got 20. You could make it could make up to 24 depending on what size you make them. We're going to go wash our hands, and we're going to try one.
I'm ready.
Okay, our hands are clean, and we're ready to try one. So we had these before as kind of a side dish to our meal, and for snacks too. Want to try
That's
it?
what I'm ready for.
Yep. These are really good. You're going to love them. Try them. And if you like easy recipes like this, subscribe, push the bell button so you'll get notified when I post a new recipe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.